Hello and welcome to Easy Step Cooking. Today I'm show you how I prepare these brownies. Okay, so the first thing we are gonna do is to mix the milk with the eggs and the oil. I am using here olive oil. That is okay, but you can use also other kind of oil that you have. We mix very good and then we add the sugar, white sugar, to this mix. Now the hazelnut cream. This is a very easy recipe and very quickly to prepare. Okay, we mix. And now when we have a good mixture like this, we add the yeast, the half teaspoon of salt, and finally the flour, and we mix again. Now the cocoa powder, these have a very good taste. We mix very good until we have something like this. And now we are going to prepare the mold to take to the oven. We put butter in all the surface, and then we put a little bit of flour, so this way the brownie doesn't stick. Now we put the mixer inside. So we put the mixture in the container and go to the oven. And we need a preheated oven, 180 degrees, heat up and down. About 25 or 30 minutes it will be ready like this. And we can decorate on top with icing sugar. And we have ready the brownies. Really good taste and really easy to prepare. Now I'm going to cut to show you. I will cut into 5 centimeters squares on each side, like this, and it's ready to eat and enjoy. So if you like it, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video recipe. Bye bye.